Hello, today I'm going to show you how to tire change of a Vauxhall Corsa Mk4. First step, sit at the driver's seat and turn to gear 1 and pull the handbrake to lock your car. After this, support the wheel at the opposite side of your tire changing area. That means if we change in the front, you have to support at the backside with some supporting edge. Now it's time to release the hub cap and untighten the bolts. Untighten the 4 bolts, but only a little bit, not completely, only 360 degrees rotation, as you can see. Yeah, use for that a wheel cross, as you can see. Yeah, full power, man. Rotate it, man. 1 rotation is enough. Only untighten it a little bit. Then lift up your car by using a car lifter or a car jack. As you can see, lift the car up until your wheel that you are going to change is in the air. That reached now. Good job. Yeah, next step. Now unleash all the bolts of the changing tire. Let's unscrew all of them by using the wheel cross again. Now, come on, speed up, man. Oh yeah, like a professional, as you can see. Good job. And do this cross in the cross direction. First the bottom side, then the up side, then the right side, and after this the left side. And now you are able to extract the tire. Good job. Easy, as you can see. Good job. Job's done at this moment. Woo! Now let's have a little vision test. Is the disc brake good enough? Oh, yeah, that's good. This is good too. Okay. And have a look for the lines and the arms and all of the stuff behind the tires. Yeah, the bumpers. Oh, is there any kind of oil? No. Okay, good job. Now we are ready to reassemble the wheel or the tire. A little advice is to clean the hub, of course, and use a little bit of copper paste to make the wheel change in the future a little bit easier. Okay, let's reassemble the wheel. Push the tire back in position and use the bolt. Tighten the bolt, but only with your hand, and a little bit with the wheel cross. Aim and tighten the bolt with your hands. That's important because you like to go a long time over a long range with your car again. So, let's tighten it by hand. Easy, as you can see. And important is use no lubrication liquid at or on the balls. Now only a little bit, that's enough. Oh yeah. Good job. And do that cross movement. First the up, then down, then the left, then the right. Good job. Yeah, next step is let the car get back on earth again. Open the valve of your car jack to let the car back on earth. Open it, smooth and gentle. Rotate it left tight to open the valve. Yeah, good and easy. Yeah, that's magic, isn't it? Good job. Let's go to the next point. Yeah, now use a torch wrench with 110 Newton meter to tighten the bolts in the right Newton meter. And of course, use a nut and an expander. Nice. Click. That's enough. And the next. Cross movement. Just click. Yeah. Just click. And check another round. So, yeah. Good job. Now the bolts are tightened enough. Good job. Now it's time to get back the hub cover in position. Yeah, press it back in position and smash it. Yeah, smooth and gentle. Nice and easy. Good job. Now, remove the edges and job's done. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.